Hey, welcome to my channel. This is part 3 of the birthday cake ice cream series, the birthday cake strawberry banana smoothie. Make sure to check the description below for part 1 and 2. This smoothie is only 275 calories. It will only take you 3 minutes to prepare, is very filling, and oh yeah, it's very delicious. You're only going to need a few ingredients: Halo Top birthday cake ice cream, non-fat plain or Greek yogurt, unsweetened almond milk, frozen strawberries and bananas. In this case, you can just use a frozen blend, rainbow sprinkles, and whipped cream. Now, if you want to make this keto friendly, then do half a cup of strawberries only and half a cup of ice. Once you have all of your ingredients, you're pretty much done. This is one of the quickest desserts you'll ever make. Start by adding half a pint of ice cream to a blender, then a quarter cup of the yogurt, 1 cup of the strawberry banana mix, 1 cup of the unsweetened almond milk. Then set your blender to the smoothie or ice crush setting and blend for 1 minute or until you get that thick smoothie consistency. Pour into a large cup. This is going to be between 12 to 16 ounces. Add some whipped cream, then the sprinkles, and you're done. Enjoy!